Hi everyone, this is Matthew again. Today is 2nd of July 2020. This is our second strategy for today. Today we'll be trading forex market all the way through. Just a reminder for those who haven't subscribed to our second channel, just to remind you that make sure you subscribe to our second channel, because we dropped 2 strategies on the second channel towards the end of June. If you are not aware, just go to the second channel to watch them, and we have already dropped 1 strategy today again on the second channel. Just these are the links again to all these channels. This is channel I'm talking about. This one that ends with META. We dropped 2 strategies towards the end of June on this channel. Just subscribe to the channel to watch the strategy. And this is the channel you are currently watching this video on now. So we'll be dropping more strategies on this channel, so make sure you subscribe to both channels. Briefly before we move on, for those who haven't purchased the binary options Toscalper bots, just visit www.toscalper.ctytechnologies.com.ng. the version 3.0 is still very effective, and we are currently working on the latest version, and we want to get it right before we release it. So once it's out, we are going to send the updates to all buyers, and we also include the previous versions. For those who are purchasing the boat for the first time, we will include all the previous versions in the bonus folder. That's the boat bonus folder. So just use the link. These are the results to for this boat again, the 3.0. you can see is at work, and these are some of the recent results. This today we run this about a few minutes ago. As you can see, it's all green. 2nd of July 2020. So just these are the features again for the boat, and this is the link to purchase the boat. www.toscalper.ctytechnologies.com.ng. the boat is 100% automated, and you can also change your stake. That's the amount you want to use to trade, and the payout you can edit it. There's an instruction on how to edit it. Will be sent to you once you purchase the boat. And don't forget to subscribe to our channels. As stated earlier, just subscribe to both channels so that you get all the latest updates and the latest strategy we drop. Briefly, these are the URL again to purchase the boat. I'll put all this in the video decision on YouTube, so just watch the video on YouTube and expand the video decision. This is a link to purchase the boat, and this is the strategy we are dropping right now. This is a link for those who don't have a trading account. Just use this link to sign up for a free trading account. Just check the link on the video decision on YouTube. So this is a link to our channels. This is a link to the first one, and this is a link to the second one, and this is the link again to our forum website. That's www. Let me just type it. It's encrypted, so you add the HTTPS. So www.nigeriapost.com. That's a link to our forum website to read written tutorials on all our strategies. So let's get back to the trading. I've logged in. As you can see, I've logged in. So make sure you visit the deriv.app interface. Just log in with the same user's ID you use for the binary.com platform. So once you are logged in, just click on the top left corner right here, then click on the D trader. If you are running a boat, you are going to be clicking on D boat. For those who have purchased a boat, you just click on D boat. Then down at the down corner, you will see workspace. Once you click on workspace, it will take you to at this area is going to take you to an interface where you load the boat. All you need to do is to just load the boat and click on play for the boat to start running. You can also edit your payout before you click on play. So we're going to be using the D trader because it's a strategy and not a boat. So once you click on the D trader, we're going to set the market we want to trade. Previously we've been trading the synthetic indices, but today, as stated, we'll be trading the forex market. So our first strategy was for Euro USD. The second one, which is the one you are watching right now, is for the USD CHF. So I've already clicked on it. So all you need to do is to click on forex, then scroll down and look for USD CHF right here. So once you click on it, then come to the trade type right here, choose the up and down, then you click on rise and fall. So once you do that, click on minutes, then set the time to 3 minutes. Set the time to 3 minutes. So then you have to change this to payout. If it's a stake, you click on payout. The reason why you change it to payout is because if you click on play stake, sorry, you'll be staking the whole 35 USD. But if you click on payout, you are just going to be staking about half of this. So you can change this amount, depends on what you have in your account. You can try it with $1, $2, depends on what you have in your account. So always choose the payout. So once you are done with that, we are going to watch this. You can see it's moving towards this edge. Once it's at this edge, don't let it move to the top. Once it's at this edge, you are going to click on fall. Once it's towards this level, let's just wait for it to move a bit. Once it's towards that, you can see we are working with this tip, the red tip. You can see it's there, it's in this line. Don't let it get to the top. So once it's there, we are going to place 3 trades for this one again. 3 trades, just like the first strategy we released. Once it's towards this level, we are going to click on purchase. We can't sell at market, but we'll be close to, you can see we are moving close to profit. We can't sell at market, so we have to wait for the time to lapse. So you have to wait again before you place the second trade. You have to wait again for it to move right up. You have to wait for it to move right up. So once it moves towards this area, don't let it get to the top. Once it moves towards this area, you will be clicking on purchase again. So we'll place 3 trades again, and we might encounter some loss. That's not likely, or we might, but if you do, if you lose one trade, you will still be in profit, because payout is about almost 90%, so we'll still be in profit. If you lose one trade and win 2 trades, you will still be in profit. So if you win all the trades, you are going to be making about 40 something dollars. As if you place 3 trades, you can see it went right up again. I click on purchase there for the second trade. So this is our first trade, this is the second trade. So we still have 1 minute 30 something. You see at that level, I click on fall again. So I placed 3 trades now, so we have to wait for the outcome of the 3 trades. So this one we still have about 1 minute 20 something seconds left, and this one we still have some minutes, about 2 minutes 32 seconds left. So if you win 2 trades, you will still end up in profit if you are using this strategy. So the only way we will encounter maybe about 13 or 14, okay, depends on what you stake. The only way we encounter loss, maybe if you lose 2 trades, or if you lose all the trades. If you lose 2 trades, we will encounter about 19 USD loss. But if you lose all the trades, we will lose all the amount staked. But if you win all the trades, we'll be making about that's 35 times 3, that's about 100 and something dollars. That's the total amount including the amount staked. So let's wait for the outcome. We still have about 30 something seconds left here. Actually all the trades are in profit, but we can't close them because there is no sell at market available. So we have to wait. We have about 17 seconds left here for this one to close. So all the trades are in profit already. This one has already closed, so you can see we've won that. So we've already made 35 actually we staked 19.35, but we made 35. We made our money back here, and we made about 15.05. so we still have some few seconds left right here. This one too, we still have 1 minute 4 seconds. So if we win this one, we will still end up in profit, even if we lose this one, because if we lose a trade, we're actually losing just 19.55. so let's wait for the outcome of all the trades. So after this, we will stop here because I still want to release one more strategy today. So make sure before you click on purchase, make sure this didn't get to the top, make sure it's towards this level, and you have to click on fall. not rise. We dropped the rise strategy earlier on the other channel, so you have to click on fall here if you are using this strategy. So we have about 10 seconds left for this one. As you can see, we have already won it, just 1 second left. So we're going to win all the trades the way it looks. We are already in profit here. Even if you lose this one, we are already in profit. So what this means is you can see we won all the 3 trades now. That's 15.45 times 3. That's what we won right here. Let's just do the math. 15.45 times 3. So we win about $46.35 in just few minutes. So don't forget, like I stated earlier, don't forget to purchase the boats. For those who haven't purchased it, there's a link to purchase the boats, and these are some of the results as stated right here. And subscribe to our channels for more upcoming strategies. Thanks for watching. Bye.